As a complement to the introduction, I wanted to go over the benefits of the Wix Master course. These are the benefits that you will experience, as well as these are the benefits that you can share with others to encourage them to sign up for the Wix Master course. The course to begin comes with a great deal of information. You'll be able to plan your website, create it, publish it, and then market it. And because of the tips, tools, as well as resources provided, you'll then be able to create that Wix website in just one day. Second, I'm the owner of a web design company and I develop websites daily. So I'm not just up to date with technology, but also best practices so I can help you create a professional, user-friendly, and impressive website. Third, in this course, you'll also master online marketing. The website won't just be created, I'll help you make sure that it's found in Google, Yahoo, Bing, and also via social media. Included in this course is a complimentary 12-page guide called Master Online Marketing Extreme that I've written. And inside of it, it goes into greater detail about online marketing. Next, I'll keep all the videos up to date, so you're not looking at outdated videos on an updated platform. Wix makes routine updates to their platform, and for that purpose, I'll have to make routine updates to the videos. Fifth, you already saved tons of money by purchasing the Wix Master course. After the course, you can create a website from start to finish, but if you do need some assistance, you won't have to purchase a developer for the entire project, only for what you don't know. And then last, if you do need service after the course, I can gladly assist you. I can do quick fixes, website redesigns, a full website design, graphic or logo design, and I can also aid you with online marketing.